It is fig season. Let's make this delicious fig cheesecake. We start with figs and cut them in half. Then place them in a pan with some sugar and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the sugar dissolves. Then in a bowl of the food processor, add the graham crackers and butter and pulse. Move this to the bottom of a spring pan and press to the bottom and sides. In a mixing bowl, mix together cream cheese and sour cream, sugar and eggs until smooth. Add onto the crust, add 1 layer of the figs, then another layer of the cream cheese mixture, then another layer of figs, and then bake for about an hour on 300 degrees. You can make a topping for this cheesecake, and you do need to let it cure for about 24 hours before you slice it and serve. The recipe and a printable card is on the blog, and I will link to it below. This is a delicious cake that I sure hope you'll try.